Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change or update your Shopify theme without losing the customization options you have for it. So let's get right into it. Now, this is a very tricky and problematic thing to do. Pretty much the pages and the themes that you have set up for your store are very complex, and several factors go into account, especially the add-ons you might have and any pieces of code or widgets you might have as well. And of course, all the customization works semi-independently from each other, and there might end up being conflicts when it comes to the version when you decide to update it or to change to a new one. Now, I won't be showing you any specific method. I will be giving you tips on how to go with this. It is up to you to decide which changes you want to keep and what might be the problem. Of course, the customization options might not translate properly to the new version, so it all depends on what problems you have. Now, what you need to do is go into online store, and before you do anything, before you update the theme, as you can see, I'm just using the default Dawn theme. What you should do is click on the three dots and click duplicate, and you'll duplicate the copy of that theme, which is going to serve as your backup in case anything goes wrong. I would also recommend downloading the theme file, and then you can actually start updating it and changing it. Now, you can edit the code and try and fix everything, especially if any logo positioning goes wrong, or any other widgets or any other custom code you might have. That is completely dependent on what you added, so I can't really give you one tried and true method. However, what I would recommend is hiring either a freelancer or a development company that actually knows what they're doing when it comes to Shopify themes, which can then help you to actually change the theme to what you want it to be. But yeah, what I do recommend is just duplicate it and then go ahead and click edit code or edit the theme content to go ahead and try to customize it to your liking and test other things around and see what works for you. And that's pretty much all I can show you guys. I am sorry that I can't show you specifically how to do this because there is no foolproof way. However, the best options that I know of is hiring someone to do this and to make a backup just in case if you plan on testing it yourself. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.